Today, we're going to explain how to set up an automatic gradient blend of two materials. A gradient is simply instruct the printer to gradually switch extrusion from extruder 1 to extruder 2. First add this line of code inside the machine start G code. We can then add this line of code to the layer change G code section at the custom code field of printer settings. In this line of code, P equals 1, mean the gradient transition is from extruder 1 to extruder 2. If P equals 2, the gradient transition will be reversed to extruder 2 to extruder 1. X value determine the slope of gradient change. X equals 1 is an evenly distributed gradient. X equals 0.5 will make an incomplete gradient, while x equals 2 will make the gradient change complete sooner. When we want to print only portion of model with gradient, then you need to remove the mix command from the machine setting and put it into the material code field.